Well, yes everyone, welcome back. It's me Romano once again. Today I want to take you through a very nice session and discussion. And this one, it will be more of introducing you to Microsoft PowerPoint. So, briefly, I want us to first of all appreciate the Microsoft PowerPoint and some of its applications. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a software actually used to create slides and combine text, images, charts, videos, and animations. So it is commonly used in businesses, meetings, classrooms, meetings, public speaking, like if you're speaking to public, in case you need to present even what they can view as well, you can use PowerPoints. So we need to know some of the key basic features of PowerPoint that can guide you to create a very nice PowerPoint. Although in our next video we shall do practically on how we can do PowerPoint, and I expect everyone to be ready for that video, and we see practically how we can do about PowerPoint creations and presentations. So here we need to know that PowerPoints involve slides, whereby our documents you make them in form of slides. Then it has also things like slide layouts, yes, and there's also theme and templates which are also always there. You can be able to attach any photo you feel like, any picture in your PowerPoint. It is very possible. You can do any form of text formatting. It is also possible. So let's look at where can we get our PowerPoint actually. So PowerPoint, for you, if you want to access, you go to the Microsoft application sites. So you need to look for what is called PowerPoint. You can type PowerPoint like ours is here. Then you open your PowerPoint, Microsoft applications. So we look for blank presentations. So this is our PowerPoint. Okay, this is our PowerPoint ready for use. So here you can make your work the way you want and make it ready for presentation. Though we shall not go deep practically on how to make it, because I'm organizing to make a practical presentation on how to do PowerPoint, on how to create PowerPoint from the first principle until the last principle. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. I urge you to be ready for my next video for the practical session on PowerPoint that will be out soon. And I also urge you to always subscribe and touch on the like button so that you can be alert with any presentation which is going on. Thank you so much.